Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today we're going to be talking a little bit about peer pressure. So to get to know everybody on our panel today, we have a question for you all. If you could use peer pressure to make everyone do something, what would it be? What big society-wide change would you like to create with the power of peer pressure? I can go first. My name is Ilakkiya, and if I could use peer pressure to make everyone do something, oh man, peer pressure is more individual level. Well, okay, here are my two answers. If I could use it on like everyone, I'd like to make companies stop creating so much waste, stop packaging so many things and so many disposable layers of plastic, reduce plastic waste. That's what I'd use peer pressure for. If it was on an individual level, it'd be to get everyone who has the ability to get a vaccine to get a vaccine right now for the COVID-19 virus. So that's me. What about you two?
Okay, yeah, I can go next. Yeah, the vaccine is a big thing. Yeah, I am also like pro-vaccine. So if people could do that, that would be great. And like the one I was thinking of was like smoking, which like I think would be great if I can stop that because affecting just you, it's also affecting people like next to you because there's like the secondhand smoking and stuff. And so if I do have the ability, and I would love to have that ability, smoking would be the one I'll be choosing.
Okay. So this is Vyaas, and well, the one thing that I've been kind of just care about, I've been trying to care about a lot is this blood stem cell donations. So it's a specific organization called DKMS BMST based in Bangalore, and you'll find the link below in the in the description. So it's basically to help people with blood cancer, where most of the blood cancer cases are genetic. So unlike other cancers which form later in life, blood cancer is usually they're born with it, and they've got to get blood transfusions twice a month, forever. And a way out is when you find someone called a genetic twin whose blood is compatible with yours. And the sad thing is, in India, the number of people who are registered is just around 4 lakhs. And with a population of 100 crores, that's number is too low. And just it doesn't help a lot of people. And the thing about blood donation, blood stem cell donation is it's almost as if only Indians can donate to Indians, because finding a match within the same country or within the same state is what is more likely to happen. So you can't find a donor from, say, Europe or America or Australia. So that wouldn't work. If that worked, it's a perfect world. It would be nice. So getting more Indians on this registry would be really helpful. So you can find more about that in the link below. Yeah, that's my one thing.
That is really amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you both for sharing. Viewers, what would you like to change if you had the ability to use your peer pressure to change the world? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Oh, you're still here? Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Hey, while you're still here, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get new updates when we post videos. Also, make sure to check out these equally exciting videos as well. Have you pressed it yet? Come on, you have 5 seconds left. 3, 2, press it now!